Let's make the Happy Raptor Lavendar Daiquiri. To make this drink, we are going to start with the syrup, the 504 Lavender Lemon Peppercorn Syrup from Happy Raptor Distilling. We're going to put 1 ounce of that, which is 30 milliliters, into our shaker. Then 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And finally, 2 ounces of your gold rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice, and give it a shake. I am going to double strain this into my coupe. And garnish. The recipe says lemon peel. I'm going to assume that means a twist of lemon. See if I can do this. Oh yeah, nice. Lemons are cooperating today. I'm going to give that an expression. I'm going to give it a wipe. You can do something fancy and twist it if you want. Hang it over the side. And there you have it, a Lavendar Daiquiri from Happy Raptor Distilling. Drink with good spirits.